Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. This is video number 47. And yeah, we got our earnings today. A couple hours ago, actually, I just got in from working out, actually. And so here, as you see, we got 0.54%. Our profit today is 59.66. That's the money I made on the investment that I have in the Forex market, guys. As you see, I actually received a couple referral bonuses here, and that's actually up here at $35.92 from my team. So I'm excited for that, guys. Yeah, and that's something else I want to touch on, guys. I'm slowly building up my team, so there's a sign up link at the very bottom of this video. When you click on that link, you'll basically go to the sign up form, and you're able to register an S Group account. At that point, you can start funding your account and start earning money on your account, guys. As you see down below here, for the monthly, I have there it is, $624.18. That's how much I've made overall. I've earned $11,077.22. Something else too, guys. They brought back the S Group graph for the Forex market. They're making some changes. So this is the monthly graph here. As you see, back in June, we made 9.9%. In May, 10.3%. 9.59% in April. So as you see, guys, it's pretty much around 10%. That's the earnings, roughly, give or take, on the money I've invested in the Forex market, guys. And it's all done on autopilot. So getting down to my investment down below here, 19 days have now officially passed. Once this gets to 30, this monthly income amount, this will actually get released. As you see, I have the auto reinvestment. I have it turned off, which will happen on the 24th, and today is the 12th. So what happened is that money will actually go up to the top here, guys, where it says $35.92, and that will be available for me to either withdraw or reinvest. But I'm planning on doing a reinvestment, and yeah, guys, that's going to be pretty exciting because that's going to build up my account. I am roughly about $175 now away from 15,000, which doesn't really say here, but if you go down below, if you take the investment, add it up with the monthly income, plus my little referral bonus here, it leaves me with about $175 and change before I reach 15,000, guys. So keep in mind, once I hit the 16,000 mark, I will be earning 300 USD funds per week, guys. So just think about that. If you're making that type of money per week, of course, that's 1,200 United States funds per month. Think about what you could do with that money, guys. I mean, you could buy a new car. You'll have your car payments covered, bills covered. Yeah, I mean, the list goes on and on, guys. So if you're looking at this video for the first time, also please subscribe to my channel down below, because not only will you get all the notifications and updates, you'll be able to check out all my other videos. And yeah, guys, I mean, feel free to ask questions, comment on some of the videos. Let me know what you have issues with or concerns with. I'll address everything. And yeah, guys, my email address as well is in the description down below, so you can shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to reply. And yeah, I just want to do this quick daily review video. My videos are 5 minutes. I don't want them to be too long, because I don't want to keep babbling and babbling. You know what I mean? So just want to do this video so that you guys can see my progress as things are creeping up. When I started doing these videos, guys, I remember it was my total income was at 9,000 when I started doing these videos, which was like about a couple months ago now. And look at this, I'm over 11,000, so it's growing real fast. In my Christmas time, I should be around 21,000, somewhere around there, guys. So yeah, so that pretty much concludes my daily 5-minute review video. Make sure you click on this subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my channel, get all the updates and progress that I'm giving, as well as click on the sign up link in the description. All right, take care, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.